Hello, I want to welcome you and invite you to our upcoming online workshop, Sustainable Happiness in Daily Living. Happiness is simply the absence of suffering, and for us humans, suffering means that a threat response cycle, a nervous system process, is actually happening in the absence of actual danger, actual threats. But that's how most of us live. This threat response cycle is not generated by events or circumstances. It is generated by an internal process that we acquire through our lives that tells us that we are not safe because we exist. To allow oneself to exist requires to be localized in space and time, having a body, and be insensate to what the body really is telling us right now. As intelligence, what is it telling me right now? Am I alive? Am I safe? Can I be open or curious? Three basic things without which nervous system regulation is not present, and without which curiosity and openness is not possible. And without that, happiness is simply a dream. It will never take place. Sustainable happiness means the nervous system has to be regulated enough to know that I exist and that I'm happy to meet you and to know you and vice versa. And we communicate to each other the signals of safety and openness and curiosity. Evolution has given us this capacity for self-regulation. There's nothing preventing us except what we call our mind here, which is not even there. It is a process of dysregulation. Things like dangerous thoughts or the pain body or all these notions, they don't really exist ultimately. What does exist is our nervous system. And if we don't pay attention to it in the proper way, with the correct information, it's actually almost impossible to understand what it means to be living sustainably and happy. In that case, happiness is just an idea, it's just a notion that somebody reads about. It does not mean to obtain things or circumstances. It means to be regulated. It means that a threat response cycle is absent from my experience, and I know that I'm alive, safe, and can be curious about life and engage with you. So I very much welcome the opportunity again to invite you to our upcoming online workshop, February 8th and 9th, 2025, Sustainable Happiness in Daily Living. We can demonstrate with simple words, simple understanding, that happiness is simply the absence of a threat response cycle, and presence means that my ordinary senses are actually being received by my nervous system, and I, as consciousness, am open to receive them. Thank you.